Okay. All right, first thing you need to do is make sure that you have the adequate tray for your impression. So you want to insert it in the mouth. Make sure it goes over the lip very well. Mhm. The next thing you have is your material, is your A and your B. The B is the base, and A is your catalyst. Okay, you want to mix both of them together very well. Take it out of your bag here. You're going to have one color. We're going to mix to be one shade. So mix them very well. And you're going to probably let the impression stay in your mouth about 3 to 5 minutes. Let's just say a rule of thumb 5. Okay. So you want to mix the impression material. Make sure it's all one color. And then you want to enter it into the tray. Make sure it goes into your tray. Cover all areas here. Okay. Then you want to insert the tray in your mouth. You kind of want to go to the side. Okay, just snap it out, take it out very lightly. And you want to always breathe through your nose while the tray is in your mouth. So just constantly just breathe through your nose and you'll be fine. Okay, so that's how we take an impression. Okay, and this how it should look, okay? It should look very, make sure you get all the teeth, all the readings, get everything. Okay. All right, the first thing you want to do is make sure that your tray has just a little bit of moisture in it, surface, because you want to the surface to be kind of have some water on it because of how the stone is going to flow over your impression. So, and you're going to always add the powder to the water. So you're going to add your 30. Always add your powder to your water. So you're going to put your powder in. All right. You water in first. Sorry, water in first, and then you're going to add your stone. This is called dental stone. All right, and you use 30 mLs of water and 100 powder. Mix it very vigorously with your knife here, your homemade spatula here we got. Okay, mix it very well. Mix everything. Okay. Make sure everything is mixed very well. Okay. All right, and you're gonna make sure that you get in all the teeth. So if you want to put a little bit here, you want to make sure all your teeth are covered. Just take your impression and bump it on the side of the table. Make sure all teeth are covered, that you have stone in all the teeth. Use your spatula here to do that. And notice I put the spatula here on top and let this go down the sides. Once you get everything filled, and you want to come back and you want to make sure that all your stone goes in there. So you just nicely place the stone inside and then the depression here. Like that. You can overfill. All right. That's fine if it comes out. Okay. Okay. And we're just going to let that set up for about 30 minutes to an hour. Okay. All right. Now what you want to do is we want to record the time, how long it takes for this to set up and get hard, because we want to find out how dental materials, how things set up and they process. So now how we're going to get the correct time on the time of this stone setting up is I want you to record from the time you started mixing to the time that there's no indentation in the stone. Okay, so your time is going to be based on the time that you start mixing to the time it takes for that there's no indentation in the stone. And so you're going to record that. So it may take 20 minutes to about an hour, 30 minutes, but I want you to record that timing so you can learn about dental materials, how long it takes for the stone to set up. So if you was a dentist, you was in the profession, you had a proper model, you know your timing on how long it takes for your stone to set. And you'd be doing this probably your first year of dental school, pulling up impressions. Now it's going to be 2 water powder ratios. It's going to be 30 to 100, and also going to be 40 to 100. So you're going to use 2 water powder ratios, 30 to 100 and 40 to 100. So you got 2 impressions. So you got 2 impressions. First is going to be 30, second one's going to be 40. And you're going to record your time from the time you start mixing to the time that there's no indentation of this little pin into the stone, and that's called the setting time. You're going to have a complete setting time that it takes for this to get hard. Okay? Thank you.